Hello everyone, and welcome back to Joint's English class. Today, you will learn real-life English that people use every day at the market. Imagine you're shopping for fruits, vegetables, meat, clothes, and other items. You will learn useful questions, answers, prices, bargaining expressions, and polite conversations. Listen carefully, repeat after the speakers, and practice speaking aloud. By the end of this lesson, you will feel more confident speaking English at a market. Let's begin. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome.
This market is very busy today.
Yes, many people are shopping this morning.
I need some fresh vegetables.
You're in the right place. We have fresh vegetables today.
Great. What do you have?
We have tomatoes, onions, potatoes, carrots, and cabbage.
Everything looks fresh.
Thank you. We received them early this morning.
That's wonderful.
Please take a look around.
I will. Thank you.
Practice sentences.
Excuse me. How much are these apples?
They are $3 per kilogram.
They look very good.
Yes, they are sweet and fresh.
Can I try one?
Of course.
Wow. It's delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
I'll take 2 kilograms.
Anything else?
Yes. How much are the bananas?
$2 per kilogram.
I'll take 1 kilogram.
Great choice.
Do you have oranges?
Yes, right here.
They look fresh.
They are very juicy.
I'll take some oranges too.
Anything else today?
No, that's all for now.
Your total is $8.
Here you are.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Practice sentences. How much are these apples? Can I try one? I'll take 2 kilograms. Do you have oranges? That's all for now.
Hello. I like some vegetables.
Certainly. What would you like?
I need tomatoes and onions.
How many tomatoes would you like?
1 kilogram, please.
And onions.
Half a kilogram.
Anything else?
Yes. I like some carrots.
These carrots are very fresh.
They look nice.
How much would you like?
1 kilogram.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Would you like cabbage too?
Yes. How much is 1 cabbage?
$1 each.
I'll take 1.
Excellent.
How much is everything?
$6.
Here is $6. You too. Practice sentences. I like some vegetables. How much would you like? I'll take 1 kilogram. How much is everything? Have a nice day. How much is this bag?
It's $20.
$20? That's a little expensive.
It's very good quality.
Can you lower the price?
How much would you like to pay?
$15.
Sorry, that's too low.
What is your best price?
$18.
Can you make it 17?
Okay. $17.
Great. I'll take it.
Thank you.
Do you have another color?
Yes, we have black, blue, and brown.
I like the black one.
Excellent choice.
Thank you for the discount.
You're welcome. Practice sentences. That's a little expensive. Can you lower the price? What is your best price? I'll take it. Thank you for the discount.
How much do I owe you?
Your total is $25.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Great.
Please insert your card.
Done.
Payment approved.
Perfect.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Thank you for shopping with us.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Practice sentences. How much do I owe you? Can I pay by card? Would you like a receipt? Here is your receipt. Thank you for shopping with us.
I found everything I needed today.
That's great.
The vendors were very friendly.
Did you buy fresh fruits?
Yes, apples, bananas, and oranges.
What about vegetables?
I bought tomatoes, onions, carrots, and cabbage.
Wonderful.
I also bought a new bag.
Nice. Was it expensive?
Not really. I got a discount. Friend,
Good job.
thank you. Friend, let's go home.
Let's go home.
Now repeat after me. How much is this? How much are these? I like some apples. Can I try one? I'll take 1 kilogram. That's a little expensive. Can you lower the price? What is your best price? I'll take it. Can I pay by card? Would you like a receipt? Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Excellent job. If you enjoyed this real-life English speaking practice at the market, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more English lessons. Keep practicing every day and see you in the next lesson. Goodbye. Party Popper.